everybody, Sapphire Mouse, and welcome back to another episode of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Last time, we, got to Rito Village and learned about some things about Medoh and who to go to, and also, at least spent probably most of the episode finishing up the side quest from the ground up. So in this episode, we are probably going to be doing the Find These Wild Meadows. So I guess at the end of the last episode, we met Teba, the Marito who's trying to at least has a vengeance against Medoh. So let's talk to him. Do you need something? I'm busy here. Can I help you? Help me? With what exactly? Medoh, of course. Let me get this straight. Some random Highland wants to help me bring down the Find These Wild Meadow. I'm not buying it. What's your name, stranger? I'm Link. Link, huh? Well, Link, I'm Teba. Well, you already knew that. I'm guessing the Elder asked you to come here and talk some sense in me, alright? Maybe. Just like the Elder to trust any of wandering into town. Look, you seem like an alright guy, but let's make it one thing clear. I'm not going anywhere. As a region warrior, I can't rest until my people are safe. There's only one way I'm going to go back to Rito Village. And that's once the Divine Beast Meadow falls from the sky. If I have to kill Medoh, so be it. Ava, that isn't how it works. Only then I'll return to the village. Let's get to it. Are you serious? Ha! Far be it from me to talk to you off the ledge. I know how to talk, but it's all as the elder said. The only way to stop the Find These Wild Meadow is to get inside it. That chance of that happening, there's no way we can set foot in Medoh. Actually, not only are you ringless, you're brainless too. Let me fill you in. Only people able to enter the divine beast are the five chambers of life. And unfortunately for us and the rest of Hyrule, they all died 100 years ago. But I'm actually still alive here, but if it hadn't been for canon. Never mind, let's focus on bringing down Medoh, one step at a time. If we push Medoh recklessly, its cannons can blast us out of the sky before we even get close. So I'm gonna need to test you before I take you with me. We warriors use updrafts in this ravine to hone our archery skills. The updrafts are so strong here that a person could just open up a plaza and just load up easily. Let's see your paper. Yeah, and you never feel the air damage is right. 5 of the targets in 3 days. Then go destroy five targets with your arrows. No, I thought I just destroyed with something else. Yep, we have to destroy 5 targets. I'm actually gonna change my power for it. I don't know why, but I think I actually had trouble with this. I think on first few pages of this. Okay, come back. That was quick, but anyway. Your first encounter was as if time stopped with every arrow you let fly. I'm gonna tell you, Link, when you first showed up, I thought someone was pulling up fingers. But after seeing you handle that battle, I can tell you the real deal. You must have seen a battle hundreds of times. I believe it. Link, I feel I've heard the name somewhere before. Well, if you really want to help me bring down Medoh, it's now or never. I'll give you One of the cannons that is well, I take it and let me know when you're ready. And then this one, the chest, is actually the falcon that he was modified earlier. So anyway, let's talk to Taylor, and normal arrows won't be able to put a dent on this canvas, but just like pebble is, bomb arrows will require bomb arrows, so at least it gives you 20 in case if you don't have any. You need to prepare one meal or bring some warm clothes. I'm all ready, alright? Why are you doing this? Why would you love to bring down that? I'm curious to see what he says when he says, I just can't watch. You can't just sit and watch innocent people be terrorized. Then imagine how I feel as a fair retail lawyer. That's fair enough. Hey, get on. Now he actually will say something different from the other two. Say something different depending on what you said. If you choose the other two, but anyway. Alright, it's showtime. Man, do I feel like I'm going to freeze up. Here's the Divine Deep Medoh. It has this barrier up again. What's wrong, Link? Too scared to talk? Let's go over the plan. You see those cannons? I'll draw their fire. While I'm doing that, you use your bomb arrows to destroy those cannons. And so far, if you need to go further, just stretch your cloth and float straight up in the updraft for a while. I will take that aside and we need to regroup. Don't bother aiming for anything covered with Medoh's barrier. If you're prejudice. And whatever you do, don't go close enough to touch it. Finally, I know I've said this a few times, but don't forget your code protection. Even though I'm wearing it. We can move forward when you're ready. Let's go. Alright? Now to blow up those cannons.
Go for it.
I will.
We're in hot.
Welcome to Divine Beach. Oh god, I thought that guy was gonna shoot me. Come on. Oh, thank god.
It's targeting us.
No, Taba, I thought it wasn't. Whee! Come on, Lee.
Be careful.
No, I thought I didn't have to. Anyway, time to take down the second one. So halfway done. Yay. Come on, Link.
It's targeting us.
Taba, I know. Oh god, I literally thought that hit me. Nope.
One more.
Right, second to last one. I'm gonna get the last one. Hey, I'm over here. Oh, was it targeting Taba? I guess it's probably targeted him.
Well done, Link. That thing is history.
I've seen that face before. I had a feeling you would show up eventually, but making me wait 100 years is a bit indulgent. You're here to wrest control of Medoh away from Ganon, correct? If so, then the first thing you'll want to do is find yourself a map.
No, I thought I didn't have to.
That guidance stone has the information for the layout of this divine beast. Can you make it there?
Why, of course with Bali. Why else would I not be there? With that malice on the face. Okay, so I guess after doing that, let's go to the whatchamacallit. By attacking this guy. Or use the master sword on it. Anyway, time for the map. Beautiful map. That we require the map for Divine Beast Medoh.
You'll need to look closely at your map of the divine beast.
No, I thought I didn't have to.
The terminals that will activate Medoh are marked by those glowing points.
No, I thought there was something else.
You'll need to activate all of the terminals to take back control.
I thought I didn't need to.
Think you're up to it?
I sure am. God, I'm so... I don't know. I couldn't do that, just be funny. Anyway, let's see. So, I guess these panels here will allow you to move this, but I guess for these, arc-like ones or whatever, you actually have to... Oh god, tilt Medoh's wings to be able to do that. And so for this first one, actually requires this. So, what you have to do for this one is, see that? This. Make sure you're holding on to this with Cryonis or use stasis. Because if you don't, that will happen, and this wall right here will come down before that comes to that, and it will prevent you from doing this. Or at least getting to this terminal here.
There are 4 terminals remaining. Still a ways to go.
Oh, you're Bali. What are you doing? Oh yeah, that's right. This guy here has a treasure chest. Oh god. What does it contain? Arrows. Ice ones! Yay. Here was one of the arrows. Anyway, let's... Oh, crap. Oh, what? Okay. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Oh, what? Oh, God. I forgot about that. to make that jump, but I guess I somehow did. Let's see. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna get this treasure chest. Ninja core, I guess that's something I can always use for him. I guess that way I can get in. So I guess to get in here. So, destroy him. And get you out of my face. Let's see. That. That way. So I can do here, but I believe you actually have Medoh. Actually, no, I guess you don't have to have Medoh's token.
There are 3 terminals remaining. Keep going.
However, Golly. Anyway, yeah, that's right. So for this one, actually requires the round bomb arrow. Oh, oops. I don't know why I did that. Get that metal thing. Well, Paul, you guys know. Oh my god. Oh god. It literally looked like. It looked like it was literally gonna full on run me over. Anyway, do that. Come on, thing. Come on. Yay. I don't know why, but I honestly do feel like out of the Divine Beast, I honestly do feel like Medoh is more on the easier side compared to the other four. I don't know.
There are 2 terminals remaining. You're almost there.
I don't know. I guess for me personally, I feel like Medoh is the most easiest for me because of the Divine Beast. I don't know. I guess everyone is different on the one. Oh, you I shall kill. And get this. What is it? Ancient shaft, because I can always use those whenever I need it. Oh yeah, that's right. So for this, oh crap. So, what obviously have to do for this is to obviously get rid of that. And, oh god. No! Okay, so I guess after feeling like it took me like 20 minutes to shoot that, I guess time to get the guess the second to last one. I guess. I don't know. Or just shoot that. I guess kill that eyeball thingy and ride that, obviously, and then get this coming out.
Just one terminal remaining. What do you know?
You said it, Ollie. I don't know. But anyway, that will actually lead to here, so which I find odd. Because the last one is on the gonna be on the left side of the on the left side of on the left wing. I don't know how to pronounce stuff anymore. Anyway, so I am too lazy. Crap, I was hoping to. I'm too lazy to do that. Or I can find out eye on the other side of it. I don't know. Anyway, so. Anyway, so for this, it does not have. I don't know why, but the left one does not have the thing, which I don't know why it doesn't, but I don't know. Oh my god.
That was the last terminal. Now you just need to start the main control unit. I want you to take a good look at your map. There should be a new glowing point on there. Well, it's flat to it.
Oh my god. Like I said, I'm always gonna say this. I really don't get. Oh crap! Wrong way. Oh my god! I literally thought I was gonna make it. Anyway, but I'm always gonna say this. I just really don't get why people really do not like Wally. Again, for me, like I say, for me, it's just so hard for me to decide on what my favorite champion is. Like, I don't know. I always just like, I really like Rivali and his character, to be honest. But I don't know. Anyway, let's get this divine beast out of the way. Meet the scores of the Divine Beast by Medoh. Twins like Ganon.
Good luck. That thing is one of Ganon's own, and it plays dirty. It defeated me 100 years ago, but only because I was winging it. I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but you must avenge me, Link. His aim is dead on. Watch yourself.
I will make sure to keep an eye on that. Anyway, I guess to make this more difficult, I guess in a way I won't use this is marble now. I guess I probably wasn't paying attention. Oh wait, hold on. That's right, I forgot I deactivated the first skill. Okay, where are you going? That it is, Rivali. That it is. Come on. Ah, interesting, Rivali, since you really do not like Link. Anyway, I I guess before I forget, there are these wind turbines here that you can use. Oh, what?
Watch your blind spot.
And apparently, the second phase is just literally activating those, wind thingies. I don't know. Or what? I don't know. Oh, what? Oh god, I really thought that it was gonna attack me. But I don't know. But anyway, like I say, oh, if I can get on that track correctly. What? Oh, what? Oh, what? Where is he? Excuse me, Gannon. But anyway, like I say, take advantage of these winter. Oh god. Since I apparently have a clear view of his face. Here you go, wind like Gannon. Anyway, with that, we not only get a extra hard container, but we also defeat the second to last divine beast. Anyway, like with the other two, with the last one, once you activate this main control unit, you will not be able to re-enter the divine interior of the divine beast. You wish to activate it. Like I say, if you want to get any of the treasure chests, do it now before you do this. But I'm really not interested with the rest of it, so I'm gonna activate it. Because why not?
Well, I'll be blunt. You defeated him, eh? Who would have thought? Well done. I suppose I should thank you now that my spirit is free. This returns Medoh back to its rightful owner. Don't preen yourself just for doing your job. I do suppose you've proven your value as a warrior worthy of my unique ability, the sacred skill that I have dubbed Revali's Gale. It's now time to move on and start making preparations for Medoh's strike on Ganon. But only if you think you'll still need my help while you're fighting inside Hyrule Castle. Feel free to thank me now.
Or not.
Or never mind, just go. job is far from finished, you know. The princess has been waiting an awfully long time. Medoh's sights are now set. You'll have a precise speed on Ganon from this vantage point. And when the time is right, give him everything you've got. Now we wait for that perfect moment. Medoh, we've been artfully patient for the last 100 years. I doubt you'll suffer a feather over a few more moments. After all these years, I simply must admit the truth. Even without the power of flight, Link made his way to this divine beast and accomplished something that even I could not. Guess I was wrong about how lucky he would be.